So here we are, back again, beginning beekeeping in Texas. Here we have the hive with the newspaper. I have not touched them since we were here last. Make sure you can see it here. I do have my smoker in case they become agitated. It is very muddy. Rained all day yesterday, so well, there's one lady that's not too happy. Okay, so let's just light this just for giggles. Just for giggles. You might notice my voice sucks. Still got this thing going on. Hopefully it'll clear up soon. So these are the cloth things that I get. They smoke very well. I just need a little tiny bit. And my pastry torch here. And that's it. And this is from larvae Textiles, I believe. So they drank all of that, like, it's probably a good half gallon of syrup. So the aggressive ones are definitely up here. Let's see if we can calm them down a little bit. I'm also just going to make sure the queen's not on here. She is not. I don't want to agitate them any more than I have to, so we're just going to put them over there for the moment. And we're going to look real quick. Man, they are. You can tell the other hive is up here now because they're pissy. The hive that I moved over here was very calm, very gentle. It's got some of that smoke. Ooh. It's thick. So this is Thursday. I did the merge on Sunday. So there should be, so you can see here, they've eaten it off of the rails. They've eaten that hole and that hole right here. And they've eaten a hole through right there. There's definitely more bees on these frames now. And this is way lighter. Looks like everyone's getting along. I don't have much visible difference with these girls, so it's hard to, you know, be like, oh, well, they have 5 stripes and the other ones have 2. No, can't do that. Probably just take the newspaper off in a minute. Oh yeah, there's way more bees up here. And if that's the case, then I want to move these frames down to the actual brood nest. But I want to make completely sure that the queen is still alive. I see eggs. So she should still be here. It's about 60 degrees, so 65, so I gotta kind of go a little more quickly. And you can hear the bees chewing on that styrofoam. Okay, I don't see her yet. So they're starting to open this and drink the honey. I wonder if they're starting to move it down. Okay, I don't see her on here, so we'll keep on trucking. I mean, you never know. She might have moved down to the bottom frames. So I'm starting to get a little pissy again, and this is exactly why I merged that weaker hive with this one, the angry one. Because eventually all these angry bees will die off. And you'll be left with just the nice ones. So this is completely backfilled. Is that bee doing what I think she's doing? Could have swore I saw her back up into a cell, but might have just been backing up to avoid somebody, or who knows. Thought she was a laying worker. Oh, must have breathed on them. I don't like that. The aggressive ones, anyway. So there's queen cups. How fun. Why is there queen cups? Nothing in them, but I don't think there's any drones left anyway. Nothing in them. They're just, okay, so see? They pretty much cleared almost all of that out. So, there you go. That's what it looks like. I mean, I had 4 slits, maybe an inch wide, 5 slits, and they just tore it up. So they're calming down now. I'm really hoping the queen's still here, because if she's not, then this is gonna be bad news. Sorry, I'm trying to find eggs. She could be down below. Gotta remember, this isn't a single hive anymore. This is, well, this isn't 2 hives anymore. This is a double deep, so now we have to account for she might be below. Okay. I'm not seeing her yet. Okay. Nope, not there. So we'll shake these ladies off. Try to get a pretty good and they're heavy bees. Must have been eating good. You just hear them thud. Thud. Okay, so let's move this. Move the smoker. Give them a little puff. For giggles. Okay. Now, let's move this off of here. And then let's get, see, so here's the final action here of this combination. It's just paper, it'll biodegrade. Okay. Start moving some of these frames I'm not going to use up here. And start looking for the queen. So this will be the outermost frame. Looking for eggs, looking for queens. Nothing there. We'll move this over here. Start to get a little pissy. Give them a little shot of calm yourself. Okay, not seeing eggs. I'm not seeing queens. But we're still on the outer edges yet. Still got some more to go. This looks like a pretty busy frame here. Let's see what's going on. As soon as I see the queen, I know they're fine. But so far, I'm not seeing her. they didn't kill her. No bueno. If they did. Hoping to find her on here because I'm not finding her anywhere else. Well, boo. Guess I can look again up here. Usually I find her pretty quick. And I'm not. Well, I couldn't find the queen. I saw some eggs that were just starting to lay down, so I think that's 3 days. And it's the end of, this is Thursday. I did it Sunday, maybe Saturday. So she might still be in there. See what happens. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.